Don't touch my uvula.
What am I supposed to do?
Date Night's a series about deceptively easy and relatively impressive meals for your maybe pescatarian lover, be they prospective or long-term. But a date shall not survive on bread alone. You've got to talk about stuff for like an hour. Luckily for you, nothing gets people talking quite like ceviche. It's cooked, but not. And it tastes tropical even though summer is long over. Pair it with tostones. Look at that, just saying it is kind of sexy. And you're in business, partner. Come on, let's get it. Unless you know that the receiving party can handle a little bit of raw onion, it's typically best to assume that they can't. So take a 1/3 cup of finely diced red onion and soak it in ice water for 5 minutes to leach out some of that bite. While those mellow out, I'll chop a 1/2 pound or so of shrimp into bite-sized dices. You could use a whitefish if you prefer, but shrimp is best for beginners since it turns visibly and undeniably pink when it's done. In a non-reactive bowl, like glass, take the shrimp and add a full cup of lime juice. If you can't handle juicing all these fruits, you can use pre-prepared juice. Not from a plastic squeeze bottle, not lime essence, not diluted lime concentrate, but pure 100% glass bottled lime juice. I like this brand. Juice as many limes as your forearms can stomach and then get yourself to a full cup by cheating if you have to. Look, Brie, I'm like a Major League Baseball player. I'm not cheating, I'm juicing. Dump in all of the onions, drained of course. I don't want any of that nasty onion water. Cover this up with plastic wrap and stick it in your fridge for about 45 minutes. And in the meantime, ahora es el tiempo para los tostones. This is a plantain. It's like a banana, but much bigger, firmer, and it's got an absolute unit of appeal on it. I mean, look at this thing. At this point, it's really more of a husk. After you wrestle the peel off, all you gotta do to turn a plantain into tostones is cut it into 1-inch thick coins, smash them, and pan fry them. Smashing these guys will open up a lot more surface area, leaving to sweet caramelized cragglies that crunch up when they fry. I like to take a Ziploc bag and then cut the sides open. The plastic of a Ziploc bag is a lot stronger than regular old plastic wrap, so it makes things a lot easier. Throw a piece inside and smash it with a flat plate, a metal spatula, a tortilla press, or any other smooshing mechanism. Focus on giving these an even, gentle flattening. If you go paper thin, they'll disintegrate against the plastic and won't be able to hold up. I've got a cast iron skillet preheated to medium-high heat, and it needs just a couple millimeters of coconut oil. Coconut oil has a high smoke point, making it good for frying. It has a very nice flavor and unfortunately a potentially prohibitive price tag. Canola or vegetable oil is fine if you've got to use it, but whenever I hear treat yourself, this is what I feel like it should mean, not 2 $14 vodka sodas downtown. To each their own. Dip a little tip of one plantain to see if the oil bubbles, and if it looks hot enough, start laying these in. You can flip them a couple of times as they cook and just get them to your desired level of golden brown. Brie likes them more golden, but I like them more dark, so I tend to churn out a varying batch. Drain these on paper towels and immediately season them with flaky kosher salt like Malden. Okay, it's been 40 minutes and I am ready to check on the ceviche. I can see that the shrimp have turned pink and that the liquid has gotten cloudy, and just like that, dinner is ready. I'm gonna drain out most of the lime juice, leaving just a 1/4 cup, and add 2 diced tomatoes and a 1/2 of a diced English cucumber. I'll season it with some chopped cilantro, and if it needs it, salt.
Anytime you have a dip, I think summer. Especially with something so zesty and cool. It's a very refreshing.
No such thing as a winter. No
Here.
such thing.
Huh?
No such thing as a winter dip, huh?
I don't know, name other one. Chili?
This is like where worlds collide, isn't it? It's like a Mexican and Puerto Rican together at last. Unintended.
This is the dish.
Wow,
that
this
combines
is
us.
A lot of Mexicans drink the actual juice too. They call it leche de tigre, which is tiger's milk. Kind of disgusting.
Have you ever done that?
Milk to tiger? Oh, subtle. Oh, you gotta eat it in one bite. Ah!
What are you gonna get me for Christmas?
What are you gonna get me?
Nothing.
There you
Cool.
go. Cold hard cash?
No.
So what's your Christmas wish for our viewers?
Joy and peace.
Joy and peace?
Yeah.
I know those girls. They're strippers down by the mall, right? I wish that for everyone too. Why don't we join together in unison? We wish you joy and peace.
and
$20
that's it.
a lap dance, no touching.